Imagine a land where a mighty mountain, flat-topped like a giant's table, rises dramatically from the ocean's embrace. This, my friends, is South Africa, a land of astounding contrasts where ancient landscapes meet vibrant cities and where wildlife roams free under vast African skies. Our journey begins in Cape Town, a city nestled beneath the watchful gaze of the iconic Table Mountain. Table Mountain, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, dominates the Cape Town skyline. Ascend its slopes, whether by foot or cable car, and a breathtaking panorama unfolds. The city sprawls below like a colorful tapestry, its edges kissed by azure waters. Look further and the rugged peaks of the Cape Fold Belt rise in the distance. From this lofty vantage point, you can almost taste the freedom that blows on the wind. Feel the sun warm your face as you breathe in the crisp mountain air. This is Table Mountain, a place where the world seems to stretch out forever. Just a stone's throw from Cape Town's bustling heart lies a region of serene beauty, the Cape Winelands. Rolling hills cloaked in vineyards stretch as far as the eye can see. Here, beneath the warm African sun, grapes ripen to perfection, producing some of the world's finest wines. Visit charming towns like Stellenbosch and Franschhoek, their streets lined with Cape Dutch architecture. Indulge in wine tastings at renowned estates where knowledgeable sommeliers guide you through the nuances of each varietal. The Cape Winelands are a sensory delight, a place to savor the fruits of the vine and the beauty of the South African countryside. Now we venture into the heart of the African bushveld, to Kruger National Park. This iconic destination is one of the largest game reserves in Africa, spanning nearly 20,000 square kilometers. It's a place where the wild reigns supreme, and every visit promises a new adventure. This vast wilderness is a sanctuary for an incredible diversity of wildlife. From the smallest insects to the largest mammals, Kruger National Park is teeming with life. The park is home to over 500 bird species, 147 mammal species, and a myriad of reptiles, amphibians, and plants. Lions, elephants, leopards, rhinos, and buffalo, the Big Five, roam freely here along with a myriad of other creatures. These majestic animals are the stars of the safari, each with their own unique behaviors and characteristics. Watching a lion pride on the hunt or a solitary leopard stalking its prey is a sight to behold. Imagine the thrill of a morning game drive. As the sun rises, the bushveld comes alive with activity. The cool morning air is filled with the calls of birds and the rustling of leaves as animals begin their day. Your senses are heightened, and every moment is filled with anticipation. The air is alive with the sounds of the bush as your guide expertly navigates the rugged terrain. These guides are not just drivers, they are storytellers, conservationists, and wildlife enthusiasts who share their deep knowledge and passion for the natural world. Their insights and anecdotes add a rich layer to your safari experience. Suddenly, a flash of movement catches your eye. A pride of lions lounging in the shade, or a herd of elephants lumbering towards a watering hole. These moments are the essence of a safari, where the unexpected becomes the highlight of your journey. Each encounter with wildlife is a reminder of the delicate balance of nature and the importance of preserving these habitats. Kruger National Park offers an unparalleled safari experience, a chance to witness the raw beauty and untamed spirit of the African wilderness. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or a first-time visitor, the park's breathtaking landscapes and diverse wildlife will leave an indelible mark on your soul. It's a place where the magic of Africa comes to life, and every moment is a testament to the wonders of the natural world. Section 5. A canyon carved by time. Prepare to be awestruck by the sheer majesty of Blyde River Canyon. This natural wonder, one of the largest canyons on Earth, cuts a dramatic gash through the South African landscape. Verdant cliffs plunge thousands of feet to the winding river below, their faces adorned with cascading waterfalls and lush forests. Take a scenic drive along the panorama route, stopping at breathtaking viewpoints like God's Window and the Three Rondavels. The views are simply unforgettable, a testament to the awe-inspiring power of nature. Blyde River Canyon is a place of profound beauty, a landscape that will stir your soul and leave you breathless. Section 6. Soweto, a township's tale. Our journey now takes us to Soweto, a sprawling township in Johannesburg that played a pivotal role in South Africa's struggle for freedom. This vibrant community, with its rich tapestry of history and culture, offers a unique glimpse into the heart and soul of the nation. As you walk through its streets, you can almost feel the echoes of the past mingling with the lively present. Here, amidst the vibrant energy and warmth of the people, you'll discover a place steeped in history and resilience. The streets are alive with the sounds of laughter, conversation, and the hustle and bustle of daily life. Each corner of Soweto tells a story, from the murals that adorn the walls to the friendly faces that greet you. Visit the Hector Peterson Museum, a poignant reminder of the Soweto uprising, where the bravery of young students in 1976 sparked a movement that would change the course of history. The museum stands as a testament to their courage and the enduring fight for justice and equality, and gain insights into the lives of Nelson Mandela and Desmond Tutu, both former residents of this iconic township. Their legacies are woven into the very fabric of Soweto, and visiting their former homes offers a deeply personal connection to their extraordinary lives and the impact they had on the world. Experience the rhythm of daily life, the bustling markets where vendors sell everything from fresh produce to handmade crafts. The markets are a sensory delight, filled with the vibrant colors, enticing aromas, and the lively banter of traders and customers alike, and the infectious energy of local music and dance. The sounds of traditional drums and modern beats blend together, creating a soundtrack that is uniquely Soweto. The dancers, with their energetic moves, invite you to join in and feel the pulse of the township. Soweto is a place that will challenge and inspire you, a testament to the indomitable spirit of the human heart. Despite the hardships and challenges faced by its residents, there is a palpable sense of hope and determination that permeates the air. The resilience of the community is evident in every aspect of life here, from the innovative ways people overcome obstacles to the heartwarming moments of kindness and solidarity that are shared on the streets. Soweto is not just a place, it's a living, breathing symbol of the strength and unity of its people. Section 7. Robben Island Echoes of Freedom. Just off the coast of Cape Town lies Robben Island, a place forever etched in South Africa's history. This island, surrounded by the cold waters of the Atlantic Ocean, has witnessed countless stories of struggle, resilience, and ultimately freedom. For centuries, this island served as a place of exile and imprisonment, most notably for Nelson Mandela, who spent 18 years of his life incarcerated here. Mandela's time on Robben Island was marked by hardship and isolation, yet it was also a period of profound personal growth and reflection. His experience on the island became a cornerstone of his journey towards becoming a global symbol of peace and reconciliation. Take a ferry to the island and step back in time as you tour the former prison, now a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The ferry ride itself is a poignant journey, offering a moment to reflect on the turbulent history and the sacrifices made by those who fought for freedom. As you approach the island, the imposing prison buildings come into view, standing as silent witnesses to the past. Listen to the stories of former political prisoners, their voices echoing the pain of the past and the triumph of the human spirit in the face of adversity. These narratives are not just tales of suffering, but also of incredible courage and determination. Each story is a testament to the unbreakable spirit of those who endured the harsh conditions of imprisonment, yet never lost hope for a better future. Robben Island is a powerful symbol of resilience, forgiveness, and the enduring power of hope. It stands as a reminder that even in the darkest of times, the human spirit can prevail. The island's history teaches us about the importance of forgiveness and the strength found in unity. Today, Robben Island is not just a historical site, but a beacon of hope, inspiring future generations to strive for justice and equality. As you walk through its grounds, you can feel the echoes of freedom resonating through the air, a poignant reminder of the island's significant role in shaping the course of history. Section 8. The Garden Route, a Coastal Tapestry. Embark on a scenic adventure along the Garden Route, a breathtaking stretch of coastline that winds its way along South Africa's southeastern shores. Lush forests meet pristine beaches, while charming seaside towns offer a taste of coastal living. Hike through ancient forests, kayak in tranquil lagoons, or bungee jump from Blue Crown Bridge, the highest commercial bridge bungee jump in the world. spot whales and dolphins frolicking offshore, or explore the Kango Caves, a subterranean wonderland of stalactites and stalagmites. The garden route is a nature lover's paradise, a place to reconnect with the great outdoors and create memories that will last a lifetime.